Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Canadian River Cruisers 17th Annual Food and Shelter Benefit Car Show. It's going to be a hot day today. We knew that, but we're pressing ahead anyway because this is our annual fundraiser for them. And we got some beautiful cars here today. And I mean beautiful. If that's not red, I don't know what red is. 61 Olds. So this is what 80 cars or so looks like in the park. And we're going to follow a hurry-up schedule today so that we get people out of here while they're still rare and not medium well done, as we're supposed to have 100 degrees plus today. Comfortable right now, but we'll have to press it. Once again, in their annual charity drive, Midway Grocery is here offering hot dogs and hamburgers and chips and a drink for $5. 100% of that will go to Food and Shelter. Bob and Maricha and their staff give their time. They give the food. They do everything to make a lunch possible here. So that's my report this morning. Beautiful day.